How to uninstall Microsoft Expression Web 4. Why? Possible reasons: corrupted client, unwanted installation, more. B. How? Solution number 1, perform the uninstallation process manually. Step 1, gain admin access. Step 2, terminate Microsoft Expression Web related processes, then start the standard uninstall routine. Step 3, restart your computer when ready. Step 4, optionally clean related projects, components, or software remains. Follow me, exactly. See solution number 2, try the recommended Uninstall Tool Pro in the description area, if the solution number 1 failed to work for you. Tip: please PM me if you need further assistance.